Hey guys, it's Ricardo, Ghost Pirate. I know it's been a long time since I've done a fishing video. So this one, I think the last time I told y'all, um, this is the map that I used to when I used to do my fishing tournaments. Actually, this is one of three. Um, so this is probably, I want to say this map is maybe about 8 years old, maybe. So I think the last time I told you about, I showed you the Nueces Bay. So today I'm gonna show you all this right here is called Corpus Christi Bay, and let me get my focus. It's kind of blurred. And mind you, I used to go with my stepdad fishing on a boat, and but mostly I used to go wade fishing for my tournaments. So I want to kind of be more specific on wade fishing. I mean, you can catch a lot of fish out here in the bay, but um, for those of us that are they call it landlocked. Um, Let me get my focus here, guys. Okay. So, of course, this area here is Portland, and so in the last video I showed you right here, this is Portland. Um, there's a um, pier right here called Indian Point, and I think I told you about the fishing areas over here on the last video, and so and then I'm going to show you another spot. Um, this is Corpus over here. Um, there's a place called, it's over here by the Naval Air Station. Um, the Naval Air Station is right here, and there's a Texas A&M University right here. Right, I think it's I think it's up here somewhere. Yeah, up here. Um, but as you go towards the Naval Air Station, there's a bridge. I think the university's right here. Um, there's a bridge right here. Um, and over here it's called Oso Bay. It's mostly over here. It's mostly shallow water. You can fish here. You can wade fish um, for trout, uh, redfish. But here is where the opening is. It's called the Oso Bay entrance right here. This is where mostly you can catch. It's good wade fishing spots. Um, I used to go by the map also, but um, if you venture off over here to the edge right here. Um, it's pretty shallow, actually. So I can get it closer. See over here it's called, but if you come a little further up, um, I think the gate to Naval Air Station is right here. But I believe you can uh, fish here on the. Oh, actually, there's a mark right here. It's called, there's a restricted area here, and it's mostly for the Naval Air Station employees or veterans. So, but actually here, if you have access to the Naval Air Station, uh, right here on the edge, um, right here, there's some good uh, there's like reefs and stuff and ocean shells, which is kind of good for the redfish. But you know, there's only a certain place here you can fish right here. Like I said, if we look at here, the map, there's a restriction, and believe me, if you go past the gate, you know they will stop you and send you, and you know, and they'll tell you to go back because like I said, it's a Naval Air Station. But anyway, right here on the edge of the, like I said, on the entrance, it's a good place to fish. And of course, you know, you have all this. Um, if you have a boat, of course, you can fish all this area here. But you know, I like to focus on wade fishing. Um, and on this side, um, there's there's a bait stand, of course, you know. But uh, if you look at this side, let me show you. Right here is all. There's a trailer park here. I believe there's a trailer park. But right here, you can also fish on the edge. It's not that deep, but probably like 2 feet deep here. And then there's another area over here. Uh, you look at the map. Um, the numbers signify mostly the depth of the water. So, and all on the edge actually. I'll show you. You can fish all the edge. As you can see, there's 3 feet of water, and this is normal tide. This is not high tide, so of course if it's high tide, it's gonna be more higher. And so, and then I think last time I did show you about Indian Point. And then I'm going to tell you the next time I'm going to show you this site, which is this is a single site on this site. So so this is all Corpus right here. Still Corpus. Over here is Portland. So like I said, if you can fish on the edge, it's perfect. And I said this map. Like I said, this is probably about 8 years old, and I used it. I won 3 fishing tournaments in 1 year, and I never wrote on this map because I didn't want to write on it. But I do have, like I said, if I'm telling you, like right here, That's where I used to fish here in the edge too. So, but I never wrote on my maps. Especially this one. This one's a nice map. So, all right, guys. Hopefully this will help you. And please look at my other videos. I have one for Nueces Bay. I have one for Rockport and Indian Point, I believe. So please look at my other maps, and I'll be showing you the next one. I'll be showing you Ingleside over here. So I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.